Well, good morning. It's about quarter to nine or so on Wednesday, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and we've got Rusty Bike up on the lift. We're going to take the carb off and go through it first, see what we see, and see if that solves the starting problem, see if we see anything bad. I love this bike. I do. This is the coolest bike. I would love to ride this to your local Harley-Davidson watering hole and park it right in the middle of a bunch of Harleys and just watch all the guys gather around because they'd get a kick out of it. I really believe that. Isn't that just neat? Look at that old tag. Beautiful work. These struts are lovely. Homemade pegs, homemade pipes. The guy is a really good mechanic, or good machinist. Built that battery box, custom tank. Yep, and look at that wartime era headlight. You know, I bet he could use that headlight we got by accident. I think I gave it to Roger. Anyway, isn't that neat? So we're going to take the carb off right now and see how it goes. Well, we've got the carb off. It's a new Premier and it's lovely. And I can see all the way through it, so it's nice and clear. The new slide, I love these slides. That is so nice. These stay up, float. And this is an interesting device. It's for draining the bowl, made by, what is that? Made by Patent Pending. Okay, there it is. Fast Eddy Company. That's cool. And I guess you can drain the bowl when you park the bike. He has these nifty hand adjustable idle speed and idle mixture screws in it, of which I do not like. This one, the O-ring was broken, so probably not a big enough problem to cause the problems we were having. But I'm going to take this one out and put a stock one in. And then after we get the bike running, if the client wants to put the fancy dancy one back in, that'll be his choice. But I like using stock parts when I'm troubleshooting the bike. So, carb actually looks really good. Now we're going to go over here to the bike. Because we have the... I should have taken... If he comes back, I'm going to get a picture of him. Since we have the carb off, we don't even need to hold the throttle open. And we're just going to do a compression check on the two cylinders now. When it comes to compression, 90 is good, 100 is great, 110 is wonderful, 120 is, oh my goodness, isn't that neat? All of which is sort of, more than 90, you're pretty good. The name of the game is being balanced, both sides being the same or within 10 pounds of each other. So you kick it 10 times hard with the throttle fully open, or in this case, the carburetor completely removed. And let's see what we get on the right-hand side. Okay.
That's 10, that's great.
My goodness, got 120 pounds. All right, we're gonna pop that off here and put it in the other side and see what we get over here. 10 good kicks, and we come up to be about 100 and, what'd you say, about 110, 15?
Yeah, somewhere around there.
Which
Close
is
enough.
close enough. Good compression both sides. So I don't see a problem there. All right, so we're gonna put this carburetor back together, put it back on the bike, and check the flow out of the petcocks. I think you've already done that, right?
Yep.
Both petcocks flowing gas okay?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna put the carb back on it and see what we see. Here we go. There she sits. Okay, what we did that fixed it, first of all, we went through the carburetor. It was clean as a whistle. Put it back together. I did put a stock pilot jet adjuster, air screw adjuster in, and I'm going to leave it there. I like it. We drained out the gas, which smelled like it might be starting to go funny, but can't say for sure. Also put in a fresh set of spark plugs. We cleaned the previous plugs, but we just put in a fresh set. And I'm going to say probably the solution was the plugs. But right now it starts, runs, idles, revs, sounds really good. I'm going to declare it done and let the client come get it and do the test ride, because I'm not going to test ride it. Okay, so this is a success story. I think we'll put the, let's put this bike up on the lift and put the front brake back together and see how it goes.